Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can play similar songs on Spotify. So what you want to do is just enable autoplay. So we want to go to right top corner, then go to settings, and you want to scroll down below, and then you're going to see autoplay. Now click it on. So right now what will happen, you can find it also in settings in mobile. That's the same way. You just scroll down below on the settings and enable autoplay. So right now when you're gonna finish the song or playlist, it will automatically play similar songs to what you were listening in an album or playlist. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down on comments, and have a great day and goodbye. So yeah, see ya.